Legend 55.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Bafana Bafana or South Africa, the country of South Africa, hosted the World Cup in 2010. That was 15 years ago now. Since 2010, Germany won the World Cup in 2014 in Brazil. France won the World Cup in 2018 in Russia. Argentina won the World Cup in Qatar in 2023. So we've missed 3 World Cups since then. Fortunately, this time around, we're going to go to the World Cup. It's been too many major tournaments that we've missed, but at least here in Africa, we've kind of rectified it. In this era that we're in 2021, Kaizer Chiefs went all the way to the final of the CAF Champions League. 2022-2023, Mamelodi Sundowns go to semi-finals of the CAF Champions League, and they also go to the final and they win the African Football League, which is called the AFL. Consistently, Sundowns go to the semi-finals, and in 2024, they go to the final. 2025, they go to the final of the CAF Champions League, again having won it in 2016. Orlando Pirates are knocked out by Jwaneng Galaxy in the CAF Champions League. Rile Mufokeng misses an important penalty, and Orlando Pirates are knocked out. They rectify it the next year in 2024. They rectify it by playing the same Jwaneng Galaxy, and they beat them. And by beating them, they go all the way to the final, to the semi-finals rather, of the CAF Champions League. And they play Mohau Nkota. For the first time we're seeing this kid. They play Rilebohile Mofokeng. For the first time we're seeing these kids. We're seeing for the first time Talent Mbata and all these young players who are 20, 21 years old. And all of those things are happening in the same era, in the same period. Chiefs going to the final of the Champions League. Sundowns always semi-finals plus the final. Orlando Pirates in the semi-finals of the Champions League as well. All of those things are happening whilst the under-20 are winning the COSAFA and they're winning the under-20 AFCON, and they go, a few weeks ago, they were knocked out in the knockout stages of the under-20 World Cup and the under-17 as well, and so on and so forth. The point is that we are in some sort of a reviving golden period in South Africa. The next thing is just to convert it from Bafana Bafana being in the semi-finals of the AFCON last time around, and this time around hopefully doing better than that. Bobzit, I can talk about the history until the most important thing is that we are now going to America. What does it mean for you personally? What does it mean to the country?
Yeah, Nkulego, ngibulise
Yes, sir.
everyone in the studio. Nkulego, I'm so excited, Nkulego. I can't even hold myself the way ngijabule ngakhona. I-country ijabulile Nkulego ukuthi Bafana Bafana qualified. I'm happy for Hugo Bros, the technical team, everyone who contributed la kulama qualification now manje ukuthi siqualify ukuyodlala i-World Cup. I think kubaleka kakhulu njengoba usho sina 21 years singakwazi ukuqualify. Simane sayihosta 2010 because sidlala because besihosta. So ngiyacabanga Nkuleko ukuthi ngasho last ngathi umuntu ongahle angabona umsebenzi waka Hugo Bros omuhla wenza kule country. Umuntu mhlawumbe ongaba ane problem. You know, last week besikhuluma la, sikhuluma ngendaba yama calculations. Sibe nawo for only 90 minutes. Eyami inhliziyo besembombela, enye bela isani side ukusupporta amajita. Lawa abuya from Lagos ukuthi abawina. Le angeke sifihla abanye abantu bebangayidingi favor. But
that had to go right as well.
Ukuwina kweNigeria.
Because if Benin won, this would have been useless.
Automatically ukwenza ukuthi thina siqualify ukuwina kweNigeria. Lokho angeke sikubalekele. Nabo bazenzela umsebenzi wabo, but ngelinye side basincedile si South Africa ukuthi bayiwine le game, because if bebangayiluza besingeke siqualify ukuyodlala le World Cup njengamanje. So Nkuleko, you know, ukuba kwalama team out 3 la South Africa, especially Pirates, Sundowns, Chiefs badlala mhlawumbe ama continental competition. It's good. It helps Bafana Bafana. If you can check badlala kulama qembu out 3 ba contributor a lot. Sibona noNtwari from Kaizer Chiefs, we are contributor today. Usincede kakhulu. Ngabheka yes, angisho ukuthi uApolis, I mean uMbatha noma Khupa lamabhola bawashayanga ngendlela right. The technique was good, but bheka lamagoli yaka umdlalo ofana noMbatha ubheke nebhola kaMakhupa. If u goalkeeper ofana no Arubi ngabe usikhiphile la kule game uyabona bo
But
Arubi
I was about to go there.
Yeah.
But ekugcineni Bob said,
yeah
Untwari, she butters his bread here in South Africa.
yeah
Udle sinkwa la.
yeah
Arubi, bangu number 6. Bangu number 6 eZimbabwe, Arubi.
yes
Isonga sabo basiqhekeza South Africa.
nolunga ungamvaleli
Udivine yeah, udivine. Wade wafelela inini udivine. Yazi uqonda uzawufelela inini, uchitha ibhola la inini.
Yeah.
Ingathi ulijoli is like I'm taking this bullet. For ukuthi ubethwe iLesotho 3 days later, but ningu number 6 group, you're not going anywhere whether you win or lose. You're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
So Untwari did the right thing.
Yeah.
He did the right thing. Not ukuthi of course we beat Rwanda by ourselves.
Yeah.
But even if there was an arrangement, anidlalele nix mosina majita intoni ngoni benisilwa but nibhatalwa sithi nitya apha eSouth Africa.
Untwari deserve RTP
Yeah.
la eMzansi kumele simnikeze indawo Untwari ahlale khona because wenza umsebenzi ubelula yes nathi sizenzela umsebenzi wabalula but uyabona ukuthi amagoli angene kuNtwari today le 2 goals akusumdlalo ukuthi bekalwa njengabo ukuthi akafuni you understand so yeah thanks for that kubadlali abafana naboNtwari Nkuleko singena igame Nkuleko I think today ucoach Hugo Bros umsebenzi bomningi bongasimningi kakhulu uma ungabheka le opponent ebezidlala nayo iRwanda bengekho nebungozi ngaleyo ndlela bayidlala ngakhona we understand because awukhona ukubona nokuthi mangabe mhlawumbe badefender kahle na ku midfield bakwazi ukunokha ibhola around or ku striking force sabo bafuna ukwenzani amabhola nje ilawo nala ngwabonile manje bafuna ukumthatha mhlawumbe uWilliam aphume epalini bese bazama because first half befuna ukudlala ama long ball second half sibonile mababuya manje igame maseyophela ila bafuna khona ukushaya ama long range because bebabona ukuthi abakhona ifika kule final third iSouth Africa yenzani iya dominate I ball position from emuva Nkuleko badlale kahle amajiti mawungabheka abondamane umdlalo ofana no Sibisi Sailor uObri and what I like today coach Hugo Bros uthatha uObri ufuna enzeni kube yili side elattackayo wide wenzani uthatha uApolice umletha ngaphakathi and uma ba attacker ba create layer V kuba uObri kuba uApolice ajoine umbuli then banomahupha phambi kwabo uma lidlala ngapha ka right ubeyazi ukuthi okay bebanomrena umrena ujoin umbatha bekangadlali bekadlalela ngapha ka right uma ungabheka because exactly because benzani babeka uTebza la ukuthi umbatha ahlale duze noTebza so akwazi ukuthi lela side siyosebenzisa ubani siyosebenzisa iwing back yethu which is umdawo but ngapha uObri wenzani uyu umdlalo orana too much so I like the way bekadlala ngakhona Hugo Bros because must lose ball position boku easy ukupressa ngale V if pressa ka right sinombatha I mean must pressa ngapha ka right sinombatha sinomdlalo ofana nomrena then uyabuya uSailor uzocover nangapha ka left same apply you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uHugo Bros we thole right namhlanje and ngithanda ukubonga uMahupha badlala ngakhona today ukudlala next to the box Nkuleko ukudlala next to the box azojoina bombatha ilento besidinga ukuthi uma ungadlala ngomkwena noObas it's difficult Nkuleko because unama 6 or 2 awunayo 8 we understand la khona uthathe umbuli ulimit attacks but mawulethe umdlalo ofana nombatha wazi kahle ukuthi umbatha uyakwazi ukudlala next to the box bheka le ball athathe lele goal
uyabona we knew he was going to take the shot
exactly you need a bombatha and most of the time ushaya amabhola lapho umbatha if unomdlali kuTebza nombatha you know ukuthi one of them uzothatha ama long range but mawulethe uObas ulimite iattack yakho njengoba usho so ngiyacabanga ukuthi line up yakhe today ucoach be right kakhulu Nkuleko ukuletha umdlalo ofana noMahupha ukuthi nalabantu bangabi ne build up you know Mahupha he always press ku defense opponent
yeah and what you didn't see today is him a wiper a right a left just stay between those center backs and we love that and we hopefully of course as a professional players standards and consistency when you play for Pirates this weekend please just stay between those center backs and don't do anything else and the next time Bafana do the same thing as well. Part of what these players did today is to also put their names in the hat for AFCON, not for the World Cup. Of course, the World Cup is a long way away. There's injuries, players can move teams and all of that. They can lose form. But ukubaleka with performance namhlanje ukuthi Hugo Bros won't forget you when he's picking his AFCON squad.
Yeah, he knows abadlali bakhe uHugo Bros. Uyabaza amasosha kumele ayomlwela mangabe sekufika lesikhathi esifanele lesinkuleko I know ukuthi una list yabadlali abahambayo uzamana bena abadlali mhlawumbe for additional uma ngabe afuna kuya AFCON azi ukuthi okay if lows abane injury ubani ngizomsebenzisa but kunabadlali abafana nabo apolice mina I thought today simbonile anikeza abadlali abafana nabo Mdula ama 5 minutes maybe but nabo Mathuludi uyamdonsa uSeyila Nkuleko ngiyacabanga ukuthi Nigeria shy 3 nathi shy 3 ku Rwanda kunabadlali ongabanikeza ama caps abafana you understand abafana
Marasol ama friendly Bobset I see what you're saying Marasol ngena kuma friendly maybe before you AFCON
indaba ena compromise I know sikhathi ukudlala naso Hugo Bros sikhathi ukuthi yena ufuna yonke into nje ihambe ngendlela right ngiyamazo madala so ngiyacabanga kule ukuthi iselection yakhe ihlala inenkulumo but at the end of the day usinikeza ama results
that's the worst it's not the worst it's the best thing it's a double-edged sword we get what we want which is to qualify but it's never going to stop us speaking about for example, let's say Umakhopa Angadlala, I'm not picking on him. I think he did well today. I was telling all of you guys about his position. He did well today in terms of his positioning. I'm just making an example that it's always going to be our job to maintain integrity in the national team. If Makhopa maybe does not play for 3 months, maybe he's injured, and then we see him selecting him for AFCON, maybe Aneve Gaboile, that's going to raise questions because other players, Abo Khrobla, they have 15 goals at that point. Abo Mabasa, they have 15 goals at that point. It must count for something domestically. But otherwise, we can have a striker with 35 goals, because it doesn't feel like calling him. Yes, it's his job, and of course, he will die by his decisions. One day he'll be fired, just like every other coach. Every coach gets fired at some point. But also, it's the job of everyone. Every citizen has the rights. Us, radio people, TV people, all of us, we have the right to be able to say, well, hold on, this doesn't make sense. Why would you select someone who hasn't played for 20 months? I'm just making an example. But otherwise, for now, and for a long time, for the past maybe 2 years, it's been vindicated. Whatever he's doing, whether we like it or not, because at the end of the day, his selection is questionable. Nico Mobi, why Nico Mobi for so long? But for as long as, if someone makes poor selection but he wins the World Cup, we'll take the World Cup.
Kuleko lento eceda ukuyisho ibaleka kakhulu that's why ngithi ungasho ukuthi uprove some of us wrong because siyakhuluma ngeselection yakhe unenhlanhla because ama results uyawathola if angawathola ama results yila khona bekuzobonakala ukuthi si raise ama question makufika kuphi ukuthi okay why ubani angadlali because wenza kahle teamini yakhe you understand but for now because of everything ihamba kahle kubafana I don't think ukuthi after ama wins siya question kumele kuphela simnikeza ama flowers wakhe ukuthi no ubona lento esingayiboni but it's a risk khumbula ukuthi asiboni ngokufana uma senza ama selection but
because the easiest selection Bobs globally whether you're Brazil or England the easiest selection is to say who are the players that are on form then maybe kule 23 you can have 5 of your trusted soldiers even if he's off form nanomu Ronwen mhlamba ngasadlala ku Sundowns for example you will still pick him you like I took this guy to AFCON ningangibuza ngayo ngoba I took him last time wangisa ku semi-final so you will always have 5 of your soldiers that you bring in there but there must not be a situation whereby kunama questions amaningi like where we we don't know now because asikwazi bakhulumela abanye ubiza abo Cupido this morning Cupido is a good player he can play for Stellenbosch mhlambe ahlanganisa season but there's other people in front of him now I'm not questioning his selection I'm sengikhulumela even abantu abasemakhaya ukuthi they have the right to question that it doesn't make those people right mambebuza imibuzo but they have the right to question that but also umqeqeshi for as long as he can say ngine bronze medal ngiyanisa futhi America then it means even if we feel ukuthi abadlali abayi5 be-Chiefs abangene mara bangangeni if this guy can say to you we've gone to AFCON then you say thank you so much for taking us to AFCON because what we want is the best for our country
and another thing Kuleko ilento engakutshela ngayo i-consistent yabadlali kunalento ukuthi umdlali angashisa for 3 months uplanela kuya kulento ku-AFCON uplanela kuya ku-World Cup uma uyoloku busy lokuthi lo udlale kahle for 3 months ngiyamlanda 2 months kudlala lo kahle uyogcina ungabi ne starting 11 sakho as a coach you understand but kumele ube nalento kube nale chemistry ukuthi uma nginombatha nginomkwena nginombuli I know ukuthi nginama soldier maybe if someone uthola injury kulabadlali ngizo replace ngobani ube ne first 11 yakhe ngiyacabanga nako lokho kuyakunceda because abadlali bala ekhaya sinayi consistent to be honest with you level asikho consistent mlilo amaphepha bazokukhohlisa uzolanda lo manje adlale for like unika example uNdlovu
naye
exactly look at uNdlovu from Golden Arrows he's doing well that boy
yes
so
forward
you understand
wide right or wide left forward
and also the style of play ungaba good Nkuleko the likes of Abomaghalwa but do you think coach Hugo Bros ufuna abadlali aba-attacka ngoku-carry ball na no ufuna abadlali aba-attacka kuma-space look at abadlali abafana no ubani le ntwana le unkotha
Apolice
Apolice ufuna ukudlala ngalesa space yes Apolice can carry ball but ungena phakathi uMakhupa uzobathi bani uMakhalwa uzokwazi ukungena phakathi
But
yini
Bob's
na?
it.
You understand?
I get your point. Me and you will agree actually. But I will always stand up for people now. Banelungelo.
Exactly.
Mangabe ahlanganisa uMakhalwa 20 assists.
Yeah.
He has the right. Kumele simlwele because it's our job. Actually,
Exactly.
it's actually our job. Ngabe asiwenza umsebenzi wethu masithi. But just look at him, guys. Yena, he's gonna look at him or not. It's up to him. It's his job now. They're gonna fire him, Hugo Bros, when he doesn't do well. So it's up to him. But you hang yourself with your own rope. As long as you're a qualifier, he's still doing well. But I'm saying for the fans, anyways, we're speaking the same thing. We're saying, but for our fans, abalandeli banelungelo lokuthi. But uMakhalwa naye uyazama shem yancenga. No, uRobben Maseka shaya 50 goals shem. Yabo. Yes, I agree with you ukuthi sometimes noba umlilo wamaphepha ngoba singamfaka angawenza umsebenzi. Also you need to have a core njengoba usho. 11 players that you always trust. But labo badlali labo one day when one of them hasn't been playing for 3 months. Angeke yenze kanjalo but when mangadlali for 3 months then how are you going to justify ukumbiza wakho? Because then this is where the accusation will be ufavora ubanbani over ubanbani, iklub ethize over iklub ethize.
Exactly.
Because at some point also you must inform kumele uyibuke. But maybe you're looking at friendly matches. Maybe kuma friendly matches angababiza ke laba sibafunayo. Not ukuthi siyabafuna but laba abadeservayo ukuthi bafakwe nabo. But for now he's qualified and these players actually that played today they deserve it. Umakhopa umthembile because kudala embiza. It has used him before and today did not disappoint. He did so well today.
Because abo coach into ekhona kuleko manje. Uma ngabheka especially the modern football. Isebenza ngalento ukuthi uya fitter yini ku style of play saka coach.
Sure.
That's a problem.
That's another factor. Yeah.
You can say angamselector lo emdlali leyo but akutshela ukuthi akekho ku style of play sami mina ngisifunayo. I need a player ozodlala ngifuna uMakhupa akwazi ukupressa iopponent ngifuna uMakhupa angahlala eboxini because it's his philosophy, you understand? So i-coaching yamanje ngalendlela le unfortunately sizovuma lento ayenza enethina sibona ngendlela esibona ngakhona ukuthi kunabadlali abadeserve but
as long as I qualify the one thing I want for my country is to be at the World Cup.
Exactly.
And whether we can argue because some content creators saying manje but at the end of the day the reality on the ground is that unabantwana all of us we have kids, some of us, not all of us, we have kids. We want to say to our kids ntwana yami iyadlala bafana ku World Cup. Leo PlayStation awuyibeke phansi. Come and watch your nation. Agqoke ijezi lebafana. Sometimes we can even go to the stadium and say I'm taking my family to the stadium. Njengoba ubabukisa Sundowns, now you can take them to AFCON, bafana to those who can afford to do that and stuff like that. Just like Sundowns medal like a Club World Cup, it's a moment of pride to say to your kids our club is going to the Club World Cup. Now you can say our country is going to a World Cup and that's all that matters.
The mandate kule kuyayenza. Umsebenzi ukuthini angeke umquestion because the mandate abamnikeza yona ukuthi siya qualify ku AFCON siya qualify ku World Cup and naku ukwenzile coach Hugo Bros. So congratulations ku Hugo Bros futhi Nkuleko and nawo wonke ama South African abantu asibambene Nkuleko ngiyabona ukuthi nase stadium you can see ukuthi nabalandeli babambene ilento esifunayo mangabe kudlala i-national team kudlala i-national team kumele sonke support i-national team yonke into ihambe kahle uyabona nje le support esinikeze yona ngiyacabanga ukuthi into right at the end of the day amajita akwazi ukuthi adeliver ama results Nkuleko so ngiyacabanga into enhle so hey I'm happy Nkuleko man ukuthi siqualifyile so umbuzo nje engakubuza wona nami siya yini USA Nkuleko.
I keep on asking you guys that question. I already am thinking of emails I need to send to institutions. Bengicela lapho I almost mentioned their names. Ngicela ukuthi basidonse base ku AFCON. This thing will cost us 300,000 or 400,000 yabo. So imali abantwana bethu le we can try and find it by ourselves but we can't do that. You have to ask a company to take you there. So I'm going to send emails tomorrow to people and they're going to say no but the hope is that in the end we'll have one person to send us.
Zama Nkuleko especially
one company
uma siya ku national team zama kusenda Nkuleko sibone
ngathi nalo cebo nje you have a biggest let me not mention you have a biggest one. He's the one who sponsors the second division and the third division in South Africa. So we can go there as well. Siyocela ba yes thula umnqwazi sithi siyacela man. Sicela ku AFCON or maybe last case scenario we can ask people to donate. But we'll try our best. We've been trying. Otherwise, well done to Bafana Bafana for qualifying for the African Cup of Nations. Sorry if this video dragged too long, but it's a moment in time. We hope you enjoyed the conversation as well. Actually, we need to represent your view as well. The people who are saying Uban Banu is on form, you are not wrong, guys. Actually, you are not wrong. Just because the country is qualified, it doesn't mean you are wrong when you are saying Uban Ban. Of course, we can't do it with all players, just because of team yako, but you can say with certain players, 50 goals, but it doesn't make it wrong even for Hugo Bros to say, no, ngifuna lo ona 3 goals ngoba yena njengoba Bobo asho style of play. Uzongipressela lapha phambili. As long as that coach qualifies, then we have asinamlomoted. And also we're not wishing for our country not to qualify. We actually want him to qualify and win a World Cup. Of course, we're not going to win the World Cup, but win an AFCON or something like that. That's what we want as a country. So well done to Bafana Bafana. It is creativity at times, we're suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.